If you've ever deactivated your Twitter account, now called X, you may be wondering a very important question. Can you reactivate it after 30 days? In this video, I'll break it down clearly and show you exactly what happens depending on how long your account has been deactivated. I'll also walk you through the reactivation steps if you're still within the recovery window and explain what to do if too much time has passed. If this kind of quick tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, the most important thing to understand is this. X gives you a limited reactivation window after deactivating your account. If it has been less than 30 days, there is still a chance to get your account back. But if it has been more than 30 days, the account is no longer recoverable. That means your tweets, account data, and profile information are deleted according to X's policy, and the username may become available again later. So let's start with the situation where it has been less than 30 days since you deactivated your account. The first thing you need to do is go to the X login page. Keep in mind that reactivation is not supported through the mobile app, so make sure you use a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Once you're on the login page, enter the username or the email address or phone number linked to the account, along with the password you used before deactivation. After you enter your login details, click Login. If your account is still inside the reactivation period, X will show you a prompt asking if you want to reactivate your account. This is the step you're looking for. When that prompt appears, click Yes, Reactivate. Once you confirm, X will bring you back to your home timeline and your account should start restoring. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that some parts of your account may take a few minutes to fully return. Your follow account, following list, posts, and other profile details may not appear instantly, so don't panic if everything doesn't show up right away. In most cases, the account will come back after a short delay, and everything will look normal again once the system finishes syncing. Now let's talk about the other situation, because this is where many people get confused. If it has been more than 30 days since you deactivated your X account, the answer is no, you cannot reactivate it. After the 30-day deactivation window ends, X deletes the account data and does not offer recovery for that account. So if you try to log in after that period, you will not get the reactivation prompt and the account will not be restored. If that happens, the only option is to create a new account on. You can go to the X registration page and sign up again with a new profile. If your old username becomes available, you may be able to use it later, but that is not guaranteed. So if you are hoping to keep a username or account identity, it's always best to reactivate before the deadline passes. Here's a helpful tip. If you're not sure how long your account has been deactivated, check the date you disabled it and count carefully. That 30-day limit is the key factor, and if you are still within the time limit, don't wait too long because once the deadline is gone, the account is gone for good. So to summarize it simply, if your X account has been deactivated for less than 30 days, you can reactivate it by logging in on the X website and confirming the reactivation prompt. If it has been more than 30 days, you cannot recover the account and you'll need to make a new one. If this video helped clear things up, please give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. And if you want more social media and tech how-to videos, make sure to check out the next guide on the channel.